Black River Carthage Fire, mutually for Fort Drum. Tankers and engines requested to Station 3. Black River Carthage Fire, mutually for Fort Drum, requesting tankers from Evans Mills, engines from Black River and Carthage to respond Fort Drum Station 3 by the airfield. They have aircraft coming in to land at high speeds. Repeating for Evans Mills, Black River Carthage Fire, mutually for Fort Drum, requesting tankers from Evans Mills, engines from Black River and Carthage to respond to Fort Drum Station 3 by the airfield to stand by. They have aircraft landing at high speeds. Acknowledging awaiting manpower, 2210.
Copy. He's on the air.
Copy.
He's on the air.
16, respond priority 2. Stand by Station 1, Fort Drum. They have an emergency on the airfield. Landline for further.
Black River, Indian River, Carthage ambulance, mutually for Fort Drum, requesting you to stand by Fort Drum Station 3 at the airfield. Black River, Indian River, and Carthage ambulances mutually for Fort Drum requested to respond to Fort Drum Station 3 by the airfield. They have an aircraft landing at high speeds. Repeating for Evansville's Black River, Indian River, and Carthage ambulances mutually for Fort Drum requesting to respond to Fort Drum Station 3 to stand by the airfield. They have a plane landing at high speeds.
681 responding.
Multiple units covering 29-1 and copy, you're en route. Indian River, go ahead. Copy, Indian River en route, paramedic 2214.
681 responding.
Multiple units covering. 9-1 acknowledging en route momentarily, paramedic 2215, car 900, go ahead. Point. Ring. 93 en route, ALS 2215.
Control car 26.
All incoming units proceed with caution at this time. Copy 691 en route, momentarily, paramedic 2217. County car 1, go ahead. You're en route, requesting EMS deputies and deputy fire coroners be activated 2217.
Push road.
Medic 16, be advised. Fort Drum dispatch is requesting that you revert, do not stage at Station 1. Stage at Station 3 on the airfield.
Received.
Airfield, they have a landing at high speeds.
Car 26.
Control car 26, be advised I am returning. I have notified 045 and 019. They'll be returning to quarters. We sent out a page and tried to staff another 2 to 3 ambulances.
Received.
Car 14 is in service, traveling 12 to Colville.
Copy. Car 14019 in service, returning 2219.
Ambulance, your second and third rig are requested to stay by your station manned to cover Evans Mills area. Repeating for Indian River Ambulance, your second and third rig is requested to stand by your station manned to cover the Evans Mills area.
Tanker arriving at the airfield.
Tanker arriving at the airfield, 2220.
Fire and EMS Fort Drum Airfield.
On scene 2220.
Medic 16.
Personnel units responding to Fort Drum be advised at this time the plane is on the ground, everyone is safe. They're requesting Indian River disregard and disregard all engines and tankers that are responding. Other units that are sitting can respond with caution.
681.
681.
Service returning quarters.
Copy 681 in service returning 2222.
691 is going to be standing by at Evans Mills ambulance. For 4. Affirmative row.
691 for car 900 will be standing by Evans Mills 2222. 1102, go ahead. Service 2222.
14 and back in service.
Received. Car 14, 2223. Have a nice night.
691.
We're approaching.
When you're on scene 2223.
Just see if they still want us to come.
Copy, you're 2 minutes out.
They'd like me to get the deal. If not, I'll disregard.
Copy, we'll check for Fort Drum.
Evans Mills 251 returning.
One returning 2224.
Fort Drum 63.
One on scene station 3, 2225. Fire 1.
Fire 1.
Fort Drum, you can disregard.
Received in service.
Copy, back on service 2227. Copy 2693, staff paramedic in Philadelphia 2228. Out of station 3, 2229. I copy 692 is also on scene Fort Drum.
Sorry, 691.
On scene 2230. Jefferson and Intel units mutual aid for Fort Drum, you can disregard.